All right, it's go time.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another marbling technique. We're going to be using concrete, gray matter. So we have our color, our water, and the mold that we're going to be using. I've also got gloves on for safety, a dust mask, and eyeglasses. So first we will mix in the pigment. This is why you wear a dust mask. You can see everything floating out there. So this concrete we want to be quite dry. So I'm starting with a little less water than usual. And then if I need to add more, that's why I have a spray bottle. So we want to get it at sort of this loose cookie dough, crumbly consistency. This is good.
Elaborate on the state that the concrete is in.
So now that I've got this cookie dough consistency, I can add a little bit of water. Just so I can get that all together now. We'll keep it as dry as possible. All right, so we're ready to do some marbling. Now that all of our concrete is mixed, thanks to our lovely assistant here. So we've got 4 colors that we've made up. Now what do I do?
Grab some more. Grab some more. Grab some more. Grab some more. Grab some more.
So this is the perfect consistency we want for marbling. Nice and dry. Kind of comes together in your hand, but still crumbles a little bit.
Grab some more. So now we've got our layers all laid out, and for this marbling technique, we're gonna want to stack these layers quite a lot to get the effect that we want.
Now we're going to cut it up like a pie.
Tasty, tasty, tasty.
Tasty.
I'm gonna stack these on, get lots of nice layers happening. Do it again. Look at those layers. One more time. Now let's see what we got here. Pepper me.
Alright, so now we're just working on shaking it out, getting out any air bubbles. Just give it a little tappy. It should taste.
All right. So now we're gonna let this sit untouched. I'm gonna make it nice and flat. And take about 4 hours to cure. What do we do with all this extra concrete now?
I don't know, what more molds? More molds. Need more molds.
Give me a strawberry. Tasty, tasty.
Tasty.